I'm Tony Scott with bnetTV. We are here in Washington, D.C. at the mHealth Summit for 2012, and I am speaking with AnyPresence, Mr. Richard Mendis. How are you today, sir?
Good, thank you, Tony.
Excellent. Listen, for all the people out there in bnetTV land, why don't you give us a brief overview of AnyPresence and what you're doing here at the mHealth Summit?
Sure. So AnyPresence is essentially a mobile platform as a service that helps companies build apps sooner, faster, and cheaper. We have several customers in the healthcare space, primarily healthcare providers. And we're here today to explain the value and benefits of our platform and how other healthcare providers can take advantage of it.
What makes AnyPresence a better platform than your competitors?
So we take quite a different approach philosophically than our competitors who tend to have more proprietary systems. With mobile software development, typically the best way to do that is to build apps using native approaches. And our platform essentially generates native code as an output. So it's possible for customers to take the output from AnyPresence and continue to customize that in the development tool of their choice.
Okay, so why is it important to be at conferences like the mHealth Summit?
So, a tool like ours is applicable to many different industries, and the only real way to explain the value of our product as it pertains to a specific sector is to attend conferences like this where we can talk about the value as it relates to healthcare providers or mobile health.
Is the platform itself inevitably under some sort of policy guidelines that it has to adhere to?
We do generate apps that can be compliant to regulations such as HIPAA, so we can host certain aspects of it in HIPAA-compliant data centers and things like that. And we also, as I mentioned, leverage a lot of native development tools so that we're not building any proprietary applications that lock you into our platform.
That makes a lot of sense. So how easy is it for someone to come to you and start that particular process?
We've done demos for prospects where we've literally built an app for them in the span of a few days. So it's very easy to get started with the solution. You don't have to have a significantly technical background. We have a web-based designer with a drag and drop environment. However, we can go deep if needed. So if you are a more sophisticated or experienced developer, you'll really love the output of AnyPresence, which is pure native code that you can edit outside our platform.
What about the idea if you've got an existing product within the market space that could be considered legacy? You've got to move to a more progressive technology platform within this environment. You don't know how to do it. Can I contact AnyPresence? Will you guide me through that and get me into the right space?
Absolutely. In fact, one of our customers, a healthcare provider down in Florida, had an existing legacy mobile app that they wanted to augment with new features, but they wanted to move more towards an HTML5 modern web-based look and feel. And we started building out components or additions to their app that was easily able to, they were easily able to drop into their existing app because the code we generate is very non-proprietary and flexible.
And then finally, what are we going to see from AnyPresence here within 2013?
You're going to see some fantastic announcements with new customers that we've closed, apps that are going live, and we just launched a new version of our platform that we're going to be opening up to the market, so anyone who wants to come and experiment with it within a free trial environment can do so.
Richard, thank you so much for taking the opportunity to speak with us here today at the mHealth Summit. I hope we get a chance for an update again in the future, and there's no question that your company is well positioned within a marketplace space that's exploding.
Thank you very much.
I've been speaking with Mr. Richard Mendis from AnyPresence here at the mHealth Summit in Washington for 2012. I'm Tony Sklar with bnetTV.